Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox and install the Subaru Badge of Ownership emblems on our Ascent. So when you order from the Subaru website, your emblems will come in this little canvas bag that has love on there with all your emblems. There's information about all the little emblems and, more importantly, a little install guide right here. So the car's been washed, but I'm going to use a little Meguiar's and a microfiber towel to get off any dust before installation. Now I'm going to stick the install template onto the car using some blue 3M painter's tape. Here I'm checking the center alignment with the Subaru badge and the all-wheel drive logo beneath. Apply the number first, then each additional tab interlocks with each other as you move across the emblem. We ordered all of our favorite tabs, including skiing, snowboarding, camping, and a paw print for our dogs. Last but not least, love for family. To apply each tab, simply peel and stick.